Why is he not coming back? What can I do to make this guy wants to love me again? Hello ladies and welcome to Love Advice TV. We are here because we want to help you understand how can you get this guy that you love back in your life. And if you watch this video, I will be truly honest with you. I will explain the reason number one, why men are not coming back to you. Why this guy is taking his time. And you have done everything right. You have done the no contact, maybe the accountability letter. You have changed. Everyone surrounding you is telling you that you're different. But this guy is making some resistance, and I will tell you why. But before that, I want to make sure that you will join the community by subscribing to this channel. You will receive all of our videos directly in your inbox. I want to make sure that you will also smash the like button. So, ladies, I've seen this situation a lot, right? Because I've coached more than 80,000 women, just women, right? So when you look at your situation, the reason why a guy will not come back, it's because it doesn't feel the challenge. We know that men love to chase. This is a fact. Men love to put a woman on a pedestal. And if you are not on a pedestal, that is the moment it will just stop. Stop chasing you, stop talking to you, stop giving you attention. And that's where you can suffer from this situation. As a relationship expert, I'm here to tell you two things. Number one, if this guy doesn't come back, it's because in his mind, it will take you for granted. It has nothing to do with your actions. It has nothing to do with you. It's sometimes a matter of time. So if you give me 3 to 6 weeks, this guy will come back to you. I promise. Number two, if he doesn't come back, it's because in his mind, he's thinking that you are not able to change. And this is the reason why I wanted to do this video, because I've coached so many women. You want to make this guy come back? Make sure that you play with the rules. Post online. New pictures, new activities. Every time you're going out, you post online. Number two, men are very, what can I say, attentive. They are very attentive about how do you see your life? What are your new projects? What are your new goals? What are your dreams? What are you doing today with your time? The moment you start to do that, you get more attraction. You get more attention from this guy. Okay? So tip number one, we use social media. But Alex, I'm blocked, but we are not on social media. From WhatsApp to LinkedIn, with Instagram and Facebook, we don't care about the details. Just go online and post. That will rebuild your self-confidence. That will make this guy comes to you. Number two, if you have dreams and goals and if you project yourself and you talk about it to the people that are surrounding you. And one day we will talk to your ex about it. Maybe it's tomorrow, maybe it's in 1 week. It depends of your situation if you need to do a no contact or not. But I can guarantee you that the moment a guy feels that a woman has dreams and goals and she can project herself, he comes back and he gives her more attention. He comes back and he gives her basically stronger recognition. So it will give you value. The reason why this guy didn't come back yet, it's because in his mind, you are still the past. If you change the way you dress, if you have new projects, if you do things for yourself, if you don't beg him and don't do the mistakes, this guy will start to see your value. And you know, the reason why he will be impressed, it's because in your mind, he will not be your ex anymore. He will be just a good friend. He will be someone that you can be truly transparent, truly positive, because everything is fine. Everything is great. And just by doing these little actions, you will make this guy just wants to come back with you. So in your case, we can't talk about feelings, right? We will not do a love letter. We will not talk about what you feel. We will only show the positive energy. But Alex, I'm depressed. I love him. I want to be with him. I know that, ladies. But we have to change that. Because if not, we can't make him come back. Just because of this, we will not make him come back. And let's be honest, this is not what we want. This is exactly what we want to avoid. We want to be in a new mindset. We want to be very much positive. We want to be stronger. That's where we want to go. So if you watch this video, I want to make sure that you smash the like button, you subscribe to Love Advice TV, and if you click in the description box below, I've attached a gift. This is for you. This is only for you, ladies, and I show you how you can get a guy back by playing with the rules of attraction, by rebuilding your self-confidence, by rebuilding your value, and by making him feel that tomorrow will be different from yesterday. Men will never come back because of yesterday. Even if you had great love, great sex, great everything, they will never come back. But the moment you start to move on, they want to open a new page with you. They want to open this new page and they want to dedicate their life to you. Don't jump too fast. Take the time. Take the time to make him crazy about you. And I will see you very soon for a new video. Bye, ladies.